Hello everyone, myself Prajapati Rudra, presenting you our application student placement readiness by the team Digital Dynamite along with the team members Prajapati Meet, Jamin Rawal, and Tarun Patel. And nowadays the students feel insecurity about their placement and how well they are going to perform in their placement as well as what skill they are lacking. So our website help them on the same. So here I have already created one email address or I have already registered and let's log in it. Currently there is no data about it, so we are gonna update all of them. Yes, update. You can also provide the link of your code forces. Suppose now here I have added the URL and let's link the profile. Okay, the we have successfully fetched the data. Let's do the same for the lead code. We can see our details about it, our lead code profile details and the code process profile. And let's add the GitHub. Now we can see the skills and how much technical skills we have implemented in our GitHub overall repos. So I have uh, created many files and repository based on the Python. So it gives 65%. Let's also add our resume. Again, after the resume is uploaded, we can see the ATS score of our resume. Uh, then let's add some certificate. The certificate is also been added. Um, Here we can test our communication skills. So let's start with it.
I just read a great book called The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy by Douglas Adams. Have you ever read any science fiction books that you really enjoyed?
I haven't really watched any, have read any science fiction book.
That's okay, there are many great movies and books out there. To answer the question, you can say I haven't read any instead of I have read any. It sounds like you're saying the opposite of what you meant.
No, I actually don't even watched or read any of the science fiction.
So you don't usually read or watch science fiction. What kind of books or movies do you usually enjoy?
I enjoy books or movies based off a genre action.
Action movies and books can be exciting. Do you have a favorite action movie or book series, like Die Hard or Mission Impossible?
Yes, I have watched both of them. Especially, I see the Mission Impossible multiple times. Even in my free time, I used to watch it again and again.
You're a fan of the Mission Impossible series. It's great that you enjoy watching it so much that you can see it multiple times. Do you have a favorite character from the series, like Ethan Hunt?
Yes. Also, I like the virus which was created by the rabbit.
I think you might be thinking of the character Benze, or maybe you are thinking of the character Ethan Hunt. However, there is a character called Benji Dunn, and also Benji is not a rabbit but a character in the movie.
So now mm, the it has evaluated my scores of 72 out of 100. Uh, we can also see the strengths and the improvement we want. We need improvements, and likewise, yes, everything is done. Now let's see the generate the placement prediction. Yes, 20.4. It's rate very less. It can tell on what factors I have more probability according to CGPA score and the technical skill proficiency. On the basis of these two, there is a high chances of getting the placement. And while we can also see the lacking areas, um, coding hours, aptitude test score is aptitude test score, and communication skills. I need a lot of more improvements. Internships, I have not added any internship certificates, so yes, you need. And the project completed, applicant participation, occurring score. I haven't added it, so yes, my predictions is accurate. Yes, here we can also give a taste of aptitude. I have already given one, and let's take another test. Now these are all MCQs, and we fetch about 15 of the questions randomly. Also, we can change that questions in our database, which we generally get in the interviews. So, or we can say examination. So it will be helpful for the students to also test their skills and the knowledge. Okay, I have got about 42.86 correct overall, and let's go to the dashboard. So this was my or project which gives the scores, which give prediction at how much the student is has chance in the placement to get a place. And thank you for watching the video.